पिछली वीडियो हमने यहाँ पर बात ख़त्म कर दी थी कि जॉन स्मिथ का डेस्टिनी नंबर जो है वो 8 है। अब 8 नंबर के क्या ट्रेट्स हैं, क्या उनकी पर्सनालिटी है, क्या उनके पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स हैं, क्या उनके नेगेटिव हैं, कौन से करियर्स हैं जो उनको सूट करते हैं या जिनके अंदर वो बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहेंगे, उसके बारे में मैं अभी बात करती हूँ। आप इसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा। People with the destiny number 8, they are born leaders and they have a capacity to accumulate great wealth. They have great talent for management in all areas of their life, especially in business and financial matters. They understand the material world. They intuitively know what makes virtually any enterprise work. Their talent lies not with the bookkeeping or petty management, but with the greater vision, its purpose, and its long range goals. They are visionaries. They are a bit reckless. They possess the ability to inspire people to join them in their quest, but often they are incapable of seeing what they are. Therefore, those around you need your continual guidance, inspiration, and encouragement. They must prod them into action and direct them along the lines of their vision. They attract financial success more than any other life path, but effort is required. Their challenge in life is to achieve a high degree of detachment and to understand that power and influence, it must be used for the benefit of mankind. Those born with the number 8 as their destiny, they don't understand the real and relative value of money. They are bound to suffer the consequences of greed. They may run the risk of losing it all. They must learn to bounce back from failures and defeats. They have the character and resilience of a true survivor. It's not uncommon for a person with their destiny number to experience major reverses, including bankruptcy and financial failures. But they also have the talent and the sheer guts to make more than one fortune and to build many successful enterprises. More than most people, their failures in marriage can be extremely expensive for them. They are not very lucky in love and marriage. Despite the difficulties that life presents, they'll experience the satisfaction that comes from material wealth and the power that comes with it. Business, finance, real estate, law, science, particularly history, publishing, and the management of large institutions are among the vocational fields that suit them the most. They are naturally attracted to positions of influence and leadership. Politics, social work, and teaching are among the many other areas where their abilities can shine. Civil government, sports, and journalism are other areas that require the characteristics of the number 8. They are a good judge of character, which aids them well in attracting the right people to them. Most 8s, they like large families, and they sometimes tend to keep others dependent longer than necessary. Although jovial in nature, they are not demonstrative in showing their love and affection. Their desire for luxury and comfort is especially strong in them. Status is very important for them. They must be careful to avoid living above their means. The people with 8 destiny, they run the risk of hurting most are those you love and their friends and families. They like to hurt them because they are very straightforward. Sometimes they are very stubborn, intolerant, overbearing, and impatient. These characteristics may be born early in the life of an 8 destiny number, who often learn these negative traits after suffering under a strict parent or a family burdened by repressive religious or intellectual dogmas. Those with the 8 destiny usually possess a strong physique, which is a symptom of their inherent strength and resiliency. More in my next video.